Hi, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World once again. We're going to be taking a quick look at this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 6.6 Duramax diesel. It does come with the LBZ and the Allison transmission. It's automatic transmission and it currently has 191,000 miles. It's a clean truck inside and out, no rust. As you can see, it's lifted. I believe it's got a 6.5 inch lift on 35s. Anyhow, here we go. Alright, I hope this video gives you a better idea of what this truck looks like in person. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 540-898-8300. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. If you have Facebook or Instagram, please give us a follow and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.